Great morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Today we'll start chapter 2 of grammar, that is one and many. So, children, let's start the chapter. So, children, one means singular. It refers only one thing, one person, one animal, and one place. And many means more than one thing. It refers to the many person, many places, many animals, many things. So one is called singular and many is called plural. So children, here are the rules of the singular and plural. First rule is changing from one to many. We are going to add s to the end of the word. What we do in this rule, we have to add s in the noun to make a plural noun, like guitar, guitars, balloon, balloons. Now children, second rule is if a nouns end in s, double s, sh, ch, x, if the nouns end in those words, we have to add es to make plural noun. So children, example, like branches end with ch, so we have to add es and make branches. Fish, fishes. Mango, mangoes. Bus, buses. Glass, glasses. Box, boxes. Buzz, buzzes. So children, watch, watches, and bus, buses. Okay. Now the next rule is noun ending in f and fe. If the noun ending in f and fe from the plurals, when we make the plural of this noun, we change f and fe to ves. We have to replace the f and fe and add ves. Noun ending in f and fe form their plural by changing the f and fe into ves, like leaf, 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 we remove the f and add ves. Leaves, we remove the f and make leaves. Wife, wives. And next is if a noun ends in a consonant plus y, drop the y and add ies to its singular form in order to change to its plural form. What we do in this rule, what we have to do in this rules, if the noun ends in a consonant plus y, if the consonant comes before y, so we have to remove y and add ies, like hobby, hobby, hobby. We have to replace y and add ies here. We have to add ies. Yes, like baby, babies. We have to remove y and add ies because before y consonant is there. B-A-B-Y, baby, and we have to remove y or add ies, baby, babies. And here next rule is, children, some nouns do not follow any rules when changing from singular to plural, like man, man. We have to change ma and man. Plural, we have to change vowel with the next with the other vowel, like man, ma and man, me and man. F double ot, foot. F double et, feet. So children, now worksheet is given. What you have to do in this worksheet? Now worksheet number 1, you have to add s to make the noun plural. First question you have to make plurals by adding s, and second question B, you have to add es. You have to add es and to make the nouns plural. And the C, choose the correct form noun from the bracket. So children, two nouns are given in the bracket. You have to read the sentence and choose the correct one. Okay. And D part, correct the underlined words and rewrite the sentence. What you have to do in this exercise, children? Yes, what we have to do, I have many brush. So children, you know that many refers to plural, so you have to write I have many brushes, like this. Next is I ate an apple for breakfast. You know that an is come for the one thing, so you have to write I ate an apple for breakfast. Next is Anuradha has a pet parrots. Here a pet means one, so you have to write parrot. Anuradha has a pet parrot, like this. And exercise E is fill in the blanks plural form in the following sentences. So children, nouns are given in the bracket. You have to write plural form of the sentence, like the man is 6 dash tall. So you have to write plural of the foot, like feet. The man is 6 feet tall. Please bring 2 dash of bread. Loaf, loaf, loaf. Plural of loaf is loaves, Loaves. The 5 dash stole the cheese, mouse. Plural of mouse is mice. You can write mice. Say 4 is many dash are sitting on the streets, fly. Plural of fly is flies, Flies. Many flies are sitting on the street. And next worksheet is you have to write the plural words adding s or es. First you read the noun and you have to add s or es. So children, you can do this exercise by yourself very easily. So children, I hope you have understood the topic well. Thank you.